Right, so today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Multi Mount from Insta360. Let's take it out the box and see what you get. Right, so that's everything outside the box. So first of all, on the right there, we've got the Multi Mount, the 1/4" thread screw, the lanyard, the 3-prong adapter, and then we've got the instructions manual. Right, so as you can see from the instructions, you can mount this in various positions as it really is a versatile mount. So now let's take a closer look at this Multi Mount. And yet again from Insta360, everything feels solid and well made to the touch. They've always got the logos on there as well. Let's fully expand this to see how long it can go. So as you can see, it's in its fully folded state here. Just going to prise that open. That automatically pops that bit out. And that's just in the selfie vlogging position, so you can attach your camera at the top. And then we can fold these arms out to make the tripod, and these will just pop out to the side. And that's in a tripod position. And then just on each joint you get this to tighten or loosen. That's all the way up, as you can see. Let's just fold it back in its normal state. It really is compact. And then just on top here we've got the ball and socket, and that's again for the 1/4" thread. Once again you just loosen it and tighten it, so you can put your camera in any position. So straight out of the box it comes with this screw mount on top. Now that's going to fit straight into like an Insta360 camera. So just got the X5 here, as you can see that just pops straight on. Just twist that off to get that back off again. Now Insta360 kindly provides this 3-prong adapter because this is compatible with any action camera or 360 camera. As I've just shown you there, we'll get that 360 camera on, but now we've got this adapter, so this will be for the action cameras. And when that's firmly in place, you want this facing you, you'll just slacken the ball and joint there, turn that round, and then tighten it back up. So now it's become really versatile because now you've got that 3-prong adapter attached, we'll be able to put some action cameras on there. And just before I put the action camera on, you'll be able to put this in a tripod in its smallest state like this. We'll just pop them out at the side like I did earlier. Now we've got that tripod. If you just slacken that ball and joint, you can put that in a vertical position. Now you've got a really sturdy tripod. So now that 3-prong adapter's on, you'll be able to attach any action camera. Let's just say we've got the Ace Pro 2. And then we just use that thumb screw to put it on. And then you'll also be able to fit another action camera around like DJI, and that's just going to pop straight on because of that 3-prong adapter. So this is really versatile because it's going to fit any kind of action camera there. And we'll even be able to fit the Go Ultra on. Like I just said, that's going to fit any kind of action camera. Now we've got that adaptation claw. I've got a few more cameras, but I'm not going to put them on there because you get the gist now that I've mixed it up with 2 different brands there from Insta360 and DJI. If you do own GoPro products, it's just going to be the same. It's very versatile and it's going to fit any of those GoPro cameras also. And what I love about this multi-mount, it really is stable and you can put it in any position you want. As you can see, that just pops out there if you want to get a different angle, loosen that ball and joint. You pop it up even more and it just goes in any position you want. So you really can get creative with some shots here. You can get really low down shots, almost touching the floor there. And again, at opposite end at scale, you can have it in that vertical position. And then just as easy in that vertical position, we'll just fold it down into its compact position. And then you'll notice at the bottom here, we've got a latch. And then when you're out and about, let's just say you want to fix this to any kind of wall or doors, that little latch just pops out at the bottom. And then you're just going to hook this straight over the top. And once again, that's in a real sturdy position. It's getting more versatile by the second. And then when you want to attach the lanyard, it'll just be underneath. Just keep the tripod open and you can get to it easier. You'll just see a small hole there. And then you just want to thread it through this small hole. Straight through, that went quite easy. As you know, if you've done those yourself, some can be quite tricky. So I'm pleased that was quite easy. And that's just going to fasten onto the end there. So that's going to be nice and secure when you're holding it and vlogging with it. So as you can see, you can either have this in a small selfie stick position, And then we can set it in the next length. Just tighten that. So that's at that length now. And then finally you can get it in its longest position, which is like that. So that's the full length when it's fully stretched out. Now just put it into the tripod mode, and as you can see, you can put that in any position you want. So that was just a short video today showcasing the Multi Mount from Insta360. We've unboxed it, taken a look at it, and it really is versatile, living up to its name there. In any position you can put it in, let alone with any action camera attached to it. And if you're interested in buying this, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there it'll send you straight to the Insta360 website where you'll be able to purchase it. Do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.